Is Kraken being investigated? Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been making the rounds lately. The Kraken. Is it real? Is it being investigated? And if so, what are the findings? I'm sure you've all heard of the Kraken, the mythical sea monster that's been terrorizing sailors for centuries. But is it just a myth? Or is there something more to it? In recent years, there have been a number of sightings of giant sea creatures that have sparked renewed interest in the Kraken. Some people believe that these sightings are evidence that the Kraken is real, while others believe that they can be explained by natural phenomena. So, what's the truth? Is the Kraken being investigated? And if so, what are the findings? Before we get into the details of the Kraken investigation, let's take a look at the history of the Kraken. The Kraken is a mythical sea monster that is said to live in the North Atlantic Ocean. It is described as being a giant octopus with tentacles that can reach up to 30 meters long. The Kraken is also said to be able to sink ships with its powerful tentacles. The first recorded sighting of the Kraken was in the 12th century. Since then, there have been many other sightings of the Kraken, both from sailors and from scientists. In recent years, there have been a number of sightings of giant sea creatures that have sparked renewed interest in the Kraken. In 2004, a group of fishermen in Norway reported seeing a giant octopus with tentacles that were up to 20 meters long. In 2008, a group of scientists in the Arctic Ocean spotted a giant sea creature that they believe was a Kraken. And in 2015, a group of fishermen in Japan caught a giant squid that was over 9 meters long. These sightings have led some people to believe that the Kraken is real. However, there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. In fact, most scientists believe that the Kraken is just a myth. Despite the lack of scientific evidence, the Kraken remains a popular topic of interest. There are many books, movies, and TV shows about the Kraken, and there are even some people who claim to have seen the Kraken themselves. So, is the Kraken being investigated? The answer is yes. In recent years, there have been a number of scientific investigations into the Kraken. These investigations have been conducted by scientists from all over the world. So far, these investigations have not found any conclusive evidence that the Kraken is real. However, they have not ruled out the possibility either. One of the most recent investigations into the Kraken was conducted by a team of scientists from the University of Copenhagen. In 2015, the scientists used sonar to map the seafloor off the coast of Norway. They found a series of deep trenches that they believe could be the home of the Kraken. The scientists also found a number of large objects on the seafloor that they believe could be the remains of the Kraken. However, they were not able to identify these objects with certainty. So, what does all of this mean? It means that we still don't know for sure whether the Kraken is real. However, the possibility that it exists cannot be ruled out. If the Kraken is real, it would be one of the most amazing creatures on Earth. It would also be a major threat to shipping. So, what do you think? Is the Kraken real? Or is it just a myth? Well, there you have it. The Kraken is a fascinating topic, and one that is sure to continue to spark debate for many years to come. If you're interested in learning more about the Kraken, I encourage you to do some research on your own. There are many books, articles, and websites that can provide you with more information. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.